So here we are in Loch Winnock, folks. I'm just heading down to Largs. It's a cheeky wee Wednesday afternoon, and the missus is getting Jackstar from school, so I'm out for a couple of hours, allegedly, as usual. Whether I make it home for dinner is another story. What's that? 3:16 just now. God, that's taken me an hour to get here. Through bad traffic mainly. Oh, so nice in these shady bits. The sun has been burning a hole in my back for about half an hour now. I've also got my phone charging in my pocket and a wireless charger. The heat coming off it is more than the bike, so that's going to get dumped very shortly. Providing I remember to put my tail bag on this bike after I washed it. Who knows? Oh god, well, this has been a terrible run down to Largs. Just traffic. But on the bonus side, the sun is shining, it's glorious, and I'm not in work in my hot ass van, sweating buckets. So, well, I'm still sweating buckets. But it's more pleasant when you're sitting on this than it is in my van or car. Black leather in the car, oh my god. No wonder I don't have any wrinkles in my ass. Let yous figure that one out. Awesome. Don't imagine there's much motorcycling to be done in Newport, if I'm honest. Oh, it's a nice little island. Been there once. Been round it in a tandem, in fact. That was a one-off. Welcome to Largs, Viking Town. Let's cut down May Street. I've actually been down this way in absolute years. Well, I might just head along the main street. Oops. Well, I'm in sunny Largs, folks. What a glorious day. Keep using that word glorious. It's definitely a summertime word here in Scotland. Well, let's get back on it. Well, I just thought I'd go this way for a wee change. Well, if my memory serves me right, I think that's Ardrossan in the distance. Awesome beach here, so it is. It's just stunning. Don't get me wrong, it's not stunning in December. I suppose it is stunning in December, but in a total different league of stunning. It's all about seasonal stunningness. I keep my eyes peeled for the Ayrshire vlogster. He's from down this neck of the woods. Although, to be honest, I don't think I've ever seen another motorcyclist that I know well out on the road. Got a few bikes have passed me while I've been standing here having a cigarette, but not recording when I'm not riding. I need to start recording when I'm not riding. Right, let's figure out, will the YZF be able to do a U-turn here? No, I'm going to have to lift it. There we go, that'll do. Helps if I start it. Whoa, what the hell was that just took off? Something with huge propellers anyway. No idea. Feel free to let me know what that is, folks. I got distracted with that guy on the 21 plate, sort of dirt bike there. He was in full tuck. Full tuck on a dirt bike. Brilliant. He's probably all happy with himself that he passed me, but I wasn't trying. Oh, there's an MCS Scotland van up in front. I think I'm recording. If I'm not recording, I'm talking to myself. Although sometimes I'm talking to myself. back, I think I'll just sit in here for a wee break. God, avoid the trenches. Bit of gravel as well. How does this break in the gravel? Ooh, wee bit of skidding. Oh, come on, neutral, give us a break. I think the chain needs adjusted on this. Just felt a bit tricky to get neutral there. And that's a dead set sign on these, so I found from the MT. Although I've actually only adjusted this once, I think, since I got it. It's a extremely heavy duty O-ring chain. Well, compared to the MT one, it seems extremely heavy duty. So I'll need to tighten that at one point. Oh, there we go, there's some turbines, windmills, big rotors, big propellers. I think that's about all I can call them. So that was a glorious wee run. It's a good couple of hours I've been out now. But I don't know what time it is because I don't have my watch on. Hurts my wrist when I wear my watch on this bike. Well, peace out folks. Take it easy. Cheers.